Nutritional benefits of sesame. The potent nutritional benefits of sesame seeds include their ability to improve heart health, lower blood pressure, build strong bones, improve male fertility, and manage diabetes. They also help cure sleep disorders, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, boost respiratory health, aid in dental care, and treat depression and chronic stress. Nutrition value of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a rich source of natural oils, lignans, antioxidants, protein, dietary fiber, and vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, B vitamins, and vitamin E according to the USDA. Skin care. Sesame seeds contain zinc, a vital component in the formation of collagen, which strengthens the muscle tissue, hair, and skin. Also, sesame oil contains vitamin E, which reduces the appearance of burns and marks on the skin, as well as helps avoid signs of premature aging. Hair health. Sesame seeds are rich in plant polyphenols, which help promote hair health. Sesame seed oil is often massaged into the scalp to reduce premature graying and boost hair growth because of the presence of vitamins and minerals. The amino acids and antioxidants in this oil help return the shine in dull hair. Elevates heart health. Natural oil-soluble plant lignans present in these seeds help in the reduction of hypertension, according to several research studies. This, in turn, helps reduce the strain on your cardiovascular system and prevents various cardiac conditions. A research study published in the journal Nutrition Review states that these bioactive phenolic plant compounds are in the highest concentration in flax seeds and sesame seeds. Furthermore, magnesium has long been known as a vasodilator, an agent that reduces blood pressure, and these seeds are packed with this essential mineral. Sesame seeds contain up to 25% of your daily requirement of magnesium in a single serving. High in fiber. Sesame seeds are packed with a significant amount of fiber, an important element in healthy digestion. It can reduce conditions like constipation and diarrhea, while simultaneously protecting the health of your colon and reducing the risk of gastrointestinal diseases. Fiber also works beneficially for your heart, by scraping out dangerous LDL cholesterol from arteries and blood vessels, thereby acting as a protecting agent against atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. Manages diabetes. Sesame seeds contain magnesium, an important mineral, that aids in reducing the chances of type 2 diabetes. It also regulates blood pressure and helps improve insulin sensitivity. Furthermore, it has been shown that sesame seed oil positively affects the impact of various medications like glibenclamide in patients suffering from type 2 diabetes. It improves the medication's functionality and regulates the insulin and glucose levels in the body. This process helps to manage the symptoms of diabetes. Boosts bone health. Sesame is the richest source of most of the inorganic nutrients, says a report published. The impressive levels of essential minerals like zinc, calcium, and phosphorus can be a major boost for your bone health. These minerals are integral parts in creating new bone matter and strengthening and repairing bones weakened by injury or the onset of debilitating bone conditions like osteoporosis. Improves oral health. Perhaps the most notable effects of sesame seeds are its powerful effects on oral health. Oil pulling with sesame seed oil can have a strong antibacterial and astringent effect on all aspects of oral health. It is also closely associated with reducing the presence of the Streptococcus bacteria, a common bacteria that can wreak havoc on your oral cavities and other parts of your body. Increases fertility in men. Sesame seeds, when added to the diet of men, improves sperm quality and increases male fertility. A 2013 study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences showed that 25 infertile men, aged between 27 and 40 years, were given sesame seeds for 3 months. They showed a significant improvement in their sperm count and motility. Reduces inflammation. The high content of copper in sesame seeds helps in reducing inflammation in joints, bones, and muscles, thereby contributing to preventing the associated pain of arthritis. Furthermore, copper is an essential mineral for strengthening blood vessels, bones, and joints. Finally, copper is necessary for the proper uptake of iron, a key component of hemoglobin. Therefore, proper copper content in the body maximizes circulation and ensures that the organ systems of the entire body receive enough oxygen to function properly. Boosts metabolic function. Sesame seeds contain a high amount of protein, which gets broken down and reassembled from its parts into usable proteins for the human body. This adds to overall strength, healthy cellular growth, mobility, energy levels, and a boosted metabolic function.